made this festive gnocchi, well, keep watching this video. Right guys, just in Lidl. Let's go and see what savvy meal I can cook up tonight. Right, first off, grab yourself some spinach. Oh my God, there's actually snails on my spinach. Literally snails on it. Next on the list, you need to get yourself some of this gnocchi. Also, you're going to need some of this soft cheese. I'm going for the one with garlic and herb. Also, want to grab yourself some of this double cream. And finally, grab yourself some of these pigs in blankets. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy. What is it? Am I on the jungle or something? I'm not cooking that up.
Right, so it looks like I'm cooking them. Right, so first off, let's get this washed. And it is organic. That is why it's full, oh my word, it's full of slugs and whatnot. Well, we're going to wash that off there. We're going to get our gnocchi round here, and that's going to go straight into a lightly oiled pan. That only takes literally 2 minutes to cook that. Okay, while that's cooking away, we're going to get our pigs in blankets straight into the air fryer. If you haven't got an air fryer, you can use an oven. You're going to make sure you get all the slugs off them. Going to get your spinach straight into your pan with your gnocchi. Get a lid on that and wait for that to all welter away. Right, so that's weltered away enough. Now we're going to get our cream cheese. And that's going to go straight in there, like so. And then all you're going to do now is you're just going to mix that all up so it's all incorporated. Next, you're going to just add 1/4 of your double cream. Give that a quick mix around like so, and then you're going to leave that simmer away for about 15 minutes. So our pigs in blankets are now absolutely perfect. So all we're going to do now is we are just going to put those on top of our gnocchi like so. And that's ready now to serve up. Right, let's check this out. Nice festive gnocchi. How good does that look? Right, let's get some on a plate. Oh, that's really thick and creamy, that. Really thick and creamy.
Smells beautiful.
Smells amazing. So moist as well. You can serve that up however you want to serve it up. It's up to you. Now, I put salt and pepper on. I hate putting salt and pepper on in the actual food itself. I like just doing it to how I like it. You can also add some cranberry. It's entirely up to you. If you want to put some cranberry on the side of there, just to make it a bit more festive. And there you go, guys. Give this a try for Christmas. Basically, it's just gnocchi with some pigs in blankets. And guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to hit the follow button. Thank you so much.